What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mighty Micros. My name's Matt, and today we are doing part 2 of this TRX4M custom build where we are installing the axles. And yeah, let's hope it goes smoother than the beginning of this. So we are now preparing to install our axles. So I've got my that's my top link, excuse me. Bottom link goes here. And then the suspension, I believe, goes on the outside. And there's one threaded screw that goes all the way through. I think it's a long one from the packet that we opened at the beginning. So now this is rather, again, tedious. First thread. Okay, we're going to thread that long screw all the way through the shock, then through the mount, then through the link, and then it's ready to thread on. I think that was wrong. Okay, so going to a different size here, so just get a different, that one's even too small, so let's try this one. That one's not quite. Okay, we're gonna have to go to the trusty pliers for now. Okay, that's secure. So we've got our rear suspension set up, and I've done the shocks upside down intentionally. That keeps a little bit of weight down low, and it's minor, but every 1% action counts. So shortly we'll be, let's hook up the front. We'll do the front end, and then we will see. I think there's a lot of potential. Okay. Let's just go with that for now. So we're going to do the front end. So we're going to sign that up to there. And we'll go from there. Okay, so lastly, we want to get these two top links sorted in here. Oh, again, something gets them all stiff from the factory, so just loosening them up by sending something through like that, and then they should just... Well, there you go, everybody. Thank you for watching part 2. In part 3, we're going to do the electronics and get this thing finalized so we can go and drive it.